Hello monster friend, how are you? In the previous video, I talked a little more about the extensive and important topic of variables, focusing on the integer type. Now, it's time to get to know float variables. Example 18. Mr. Silva sold bread in his bakery and charged per unit, which is not allowed in Brazil. It can only be sold by weight. When the inspection came, in addition to the fine, the inspectors weighted the bread to see if, on average, they weighted more than 50 grams. Did Mr. Silva have any problems? C. Each variable with the weight of each loaf. Run the cell, it's okay. Then I calculate the average by adding the weights and dividing by 5. Run the cell. Okay. I call the variable and I realize that it's less than 50 grams, which will cause even more problems for Mr. Silva. I showed in the previous video the built-in type function, in which I put the variable inside and find out what type it is. Float type, or a number with decimal places. Knowing the difference between variable types will be critical in all future Python code. Okay? Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.